Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jurisa Cabanza Imperial, 33 years old, high school graduate, living in Tansa, Cavite, Roman Catholic. I am single mother. I have two kids. Their ages 15 and 12. My work experience as household worker here in the Philippines was November 2022 to January 2025. My 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 employer was two members in the family. I was working and my responsibilities on duties was cooking, cleaning the house, washing the dirty clothes, ironing the clothes, and gardening. The reason why I would like to work in Hong Kong to finance my family needs and my kids. I am willing to learn more about language, cultures, and Chinese food. I am hardworking, I'm fast learner, and honest person. I hope you choose me to be part of your family helpers. Thank you and God bless.